Hi for this, welcome back. So in today's video I present to you my fried couscous. This particular couscous is so easy to make and yummy. So let's dive in. First of all, you're going to measure the same quantity of water, add your salt, seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, some butter, allow that to boil, and then you add the same quantity of couscous. Mix that, turn off your heat and allow it to simmer. So in another pot I'm going to fry some carrots, some pepper. I'm using red, orange, yellow, green, more onions, and of course my pepper mix. Here I added small curry powder, seasoning, salt, ginger and garlic powder, little thyme, and yeah, that's it. So fry this a bit and then you add in your couscous. So this is how it should look after. Use your fork to floss it around and add it to your fried vegetables. So after adding it to your vegetables, you're going to stir very well and fry on medium-low heat until everything is well combined. Then you increase your heat to the highest and then fry. And this is how you make your fried couscous.